when a pedestrian is crossing a street guided by a dog or carrying a white cane? A. You must yield the right of way. B. You must tell them where to cross the street. C. You are not required to stop. Correct answer, A. You must yield the right of way. You want to park uphill on a two-way road and there is no curb. You should A. Turn your wheels to the right. B. Turn your wheels to the left. C. Park with your wheels straight. Correct answer, A. Turn your wheels to the right. You are approaching a green traffic light, but traffic is blocking the intersection. What is the best thing to do? A. Continue into the intersection and wait for traffic to clear. B. Honk your horn to make the cars move up. C. Stay out of the intersection until traffic clears. Correct answer, C. Stay out of the intersection until traffic clears. This question came in a recent exam. When driving near road construction zones, you should A. Pass the zone as quickly as possible to get out of the way. B. Slow down to watch the construction as you pass. C. Stay alert and reduce your speed. Correct answer, C. Stay alert and reduce your speed. A solid yellow line on your side of the center line means A. Stop, do not go any further. B. Do not cross the line from your side to pass. C. You may cross the line to pass if the road ahead is clear. Correct answer, B. Do not cross the line from your side to pass. You are driving on the freeway behind a large truck, you should drive A. Farther behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. B. Closer behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. C. You should drive to the right side of the truck and speed up. Correct answer, A. Farther behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. When you see livestock near the roadway, you should A. Follow directions from the person in charge of the animals. B. Blow your horn continuously until the animals move. C. Speed up to get past the animals more quickly. Correct answer, A. Follow directions from the person in charge of the animals. If your vehicle starts to hydroplane, you should A. Brake sharply and turn the wheel. B. Slow down gradually and do not apply the brakes. C. Accelerate to gain better traction. Correct answer, B. Slow down gradually and do not apply the brakes. When a school bus is stopped on your side of the road with its red lights flashing, you should A. Pass the bus slowly. B. Stop and wait until the bus turns off its flashing red lights. C. Pass the bus only if children have already exited. Correct answer, B. Stop and wait until the bus turns off its flashing red lights. When two vehicles arrive at a four-way stop at the same time. A. The vehicle on the left goes first. B. The vehicle on the right goes first. C. The vehicle that is moving faster goes first. Correct answer, B. The vehicle on the right goes first. When merging onto an interstate highway, you should A. Merge into traffic at or near the same speed. B. Always stop before merging. C. Merge in regardless of the speed of traffic. Correct answer, A. Merge into traffic at or near the same speed. When parking uphill on a street with a curb, you should turn your wheels A. To the right, away from the curb. B. To the left, toward the curb. C. Keep them straight. Correct answer, A. To the right, away from the curb. When can you drive using only your parking lights? A. 30 minutes after sunset or 30 minutes before sunrise. B. Under no circumstances. C. When visibility is poor. Correct answer, B. Under no circumstances. This question came in a recent exam. When a yellow arrow appears as you are about to turn from a dedicated left turn lane, you should. A. Stop and not turn under any circumstances. B. Speed up to complete the turn. C. Be prepared to obey the next signal that appears. Correct answer, C. Be prepared to obey the next signal that appears. If a tire suddenly goes flat while driving, you should A. Apply the brakes and quickly pull off the road. B. Gradually slow down and pull off the road. C. Continue driving to your destination. Correct answer, B. Gradually slow down and pull off the road. In heavy rain, your tires can ride on a film of water and lose contact with the road. This hazard is known as A. Hydroplaning. B. Waterplaning. C. Aquaplaning. Correct answer, A. Hydroplaning. You are approaching a railroad crossing that is unguarded. A train is not visible, but you hear it in the distance. What should you do? A. Accelerate and cross the tracks as quickly as possible. B. Continue at the same speed and cross the tracks. C. Stop, listen, and proceed only when you are sure it is safe. Correct answer, C. Stop, listen, and proceed only when you are sure it is safe. You are on a highway when another vehicle abruptly enters your lane. What is the safest response? A. Immediately brake hard to maintain distance. B. Honk continuously to express your displeasure. C. Calmly decelerate to regain a safe following distance. Correct answer, C. Calmly decelerate to regain a safe following distance. If you are planning to attend an event where alcohol will be served, the safest transportation plan is to A. Drive yourself, taking only side roads. B. Coordinate with a designated driver, use public transit, or hire a taxi. C. Drive yourself, but take a route with no traffic. Correct answer, B. Coordinate with a designated driver, use public transit, or hire a taxi. You are driving on a wet road and your vehicle is equipped with anti-lock brakes, ABS. If you have to stop suddenly, you should A. Stomp on the brake pedal and keep it depressed while steering safely. B. Rapidly pump the brake pedal. C. Apply steady pressure to the brakes then release them. Correct answer, A. Stomp on the brake pedal and keep it depressed while steering safely. This question came in a recent exam. How long should you signal before making a turn in a residential area? A. 10 to 20 seconds before the turn. B. If you are within 100 feet of the turn, then you should signal. C. In a residential area it is not required. Answer, B. If you are within 100 feet of the turn, then you should signal. If you observe a cyclist ahead with their right arm extended out and upward, this indicates that the cyclist A. Is about to make a right turn. B. Is telling you to overtake. C. Is stretching and it doesn't indicate anything. Correct answer, A. Is about to make a right turn. If you're driving on a road with no shoulder and your vehicle breaks down, it is recommended to A. Stop the vehicle so it straddles the right lane marking. B. Stop with all four wheels on the road. C. Pull over as far off the roadway as possible before stopping. Correct answer, C. Pull over as far off the roadway as possible before stopping. When you are entering a highway from an entrance ramp, you should generally A. Yield to traffic already on the highway. B. Assume right-of-way over traffic already on the highway. C. Stop at the end of the ramp to wait for an opening. Correct answer, A. Yield to traffic already on the highway. When it is raining in Florida, you should have the following on. A. Parking lights only. B. Headlights only. C. Both headlights and wipers. Correct answer, C. Both headlights and wipers. What does a steady yellow light mean at an intersection? A. Slow down and prepare to stop for pedestrians. B. Prepare to stop for a red signal. C. Proceed with caution. Correct answer, B. Prepare to stop for a red signal. In Florida, a driver may use the carpool lane or high occupancy vehicle (HOV) lane if there are how many people in the car, including the driver? A. At least one. B. At least two. C. At least three. Correct answer, B. At least two. When you want to change lanes, you can see if another vehicle is in your blind spot. A. Only by turning your head and looking over your shoulder. B. By checking the inside rearview mirror. C. By checking the outside mirrors. Correct answer, A. Only by turning your head and looking over your shoulder. If you're driving at night, you should use high-beam headlights in all of the following situations, except A. When there are oncoming vehicles. B. In fog, rain, or snow. C. On unfamiliar roads. Correct answer, A. When there are oncoming vehicles. When driving on wet roads, you should A. Drive the speed limit. B. Drive 5 miles per hour above the speed limit. C. Drive 5 to 10 miles per hour under the speed limit. Correct answer, C. Drive 5 to 10 miles per hour under the speed limit. You are driving on a freeway posted for 65 miles per hour. Most of the other vehicles are driving 70 miles per hour or faster. You may legally drive A. 75 miles per hour or faster to keep up with the speed of traffic. B. Between 65 miles per hour and 70 miles per hour. C. No faster than 65 miles per hour. Correct answer, C. No faster than 65 miles per hour. What is the no zones principle with respect to large trucks? A. Areas around trucks where cars disappear into blind spots. B. Zones where trucks are not permitted to drive. C. The maximum load zones for trucks. Correct answer, A. Areas around trucks where cars disappear into blind spots. When are you legally required to yield the right-of-way to a pedestrian in Florida? A. At marked crosswalks only. B. At all intersections, regardless of whether the crosswalks are marked or not. C. Only when traffic signals are not functioning. Correct answer, B. At all intersections, regardless of whether the crosswalks are marked or not. What does a double yellow line in the center of the road indicate? A. Passing is permitted on both sides. B. Passing is permitted on the right side. C. Passing is not permitted from either direction. Correct answer, C. Passing is not permitted from either direction. What is the penalty for refusing to take a blood, breath, or urine test in Florida? A. Your license will be suspended for 1 year. B. Your license will be revoked permanently. C. Your vehicle will be impounded. Correct answer, A. Your license will be suspended for 1 year.